Okay, so now we're doing 8.4, and this question is asking us to find the final velocity of A. So what is the speed of A at its final point? So in order to solve this, we need to use previous knowledge that we used in the 8.3. So what we need to know is that PIX is equal to PFX. So since we know this, we can use both of these equations to find out the final velocity of A. So what we're going to do is first start with PIX. So PIX in this case is 0.50 kilograms times 2.0 meters per second plus 0.30 kilograms, and then times negative 2.0 meters per second. So this is the first equation. This is PI, or the momentum of the initial momentum in the x direction. And we also need to find or see the value of PFX. So P final in the x direction is 0.50 kilograms times VAF. So this is VA initial. This is the velocity of A initially. And VAF is what we're trying to find. So we don't know this. We have to find that. We have to solve for the final velocity of A. So let's continue with the equation. 0.30 kilograms times 2.0 meters per second. Now notice how this one is negative and this one is positive. So in order to solve this, what we need to do is just set both of these equations equal to each other. So we need to know that these are equal. So now that we know that we need to set these equal to each other, we can easily find VA of F. So by solving, we'll see that VAF is equal to negative 0.40 meters per second. So this is the final velocity of A. And we were able to solve this, remember, because we know that PIX is equal to PFX. So the initial momentum in the x direction is equal to the final momentum in the x direction. So by setting these two equations that we found equal to each other, we were able to solve for VAF, which was the unknown.